after 3 weeks of episodes that were recycled,
Not recycled.
well, we're back.
We're back.
Be back.
Oh my gosh, and we are in a hurry because there's only a small window of time before the kids come crashing.
Yeah, that's parenthood.
It's a long story.
So I have a few things
Okay.
I've been dying to talk about.
Game.
Okay. Number one, well, a book that we're both reading, I read na, and Sab is currently reading, is called On All Fours.
I think it's just called All Fours.
All Fours?
Right.
By Miranda July.
Yes.
So this is my first time reading like art
Art.
erotica. Kasi,
What does that mean?
I mean like I've as you know, I read a lot of books now.
Yes.
And
Jim is my book influencer.
I'm a book fluencer.
Yeah.
And prior
Lit-fluencer.
prior
Is
kasi
that what it's called? I don't know.
a
Book talk.
clit.
Clit? I thought you said clit.
Okay.
I guess it is erotica in your head.
So yung
Or in my head.
in the books that I read before, it would always be like, so he grabbed her ass.
Oh, what
Yeah,
books
I
are
mean,
you
like,
reading?
and
Ito
like-
mga yung mga drug books mo?
Yeah, mga
Sino yung author
then
na
he
sobrang
told
dami
her
mong binasa na?
Don Winslow.
Don Winslow.
Douche.
Yun lang yung hindi ko binasa mo.
Yeah. Well, yung kay Don Winslow naman, yun
Okay naman.
It's okay. He basically the writer is, this is in fairness to him, he got me into like very very like to reading a lot. So I
Ah.
started very like action.
Parang Narcos yung vibe.
Puro
na.
ganun.
Mhm.
Yeah. So hindi siya action like Tom Clancy or even like before when I would read before in high school and grade school, Star Wars books, so hard to read. Sobrang hirap. Anyway, so yun. Anyway,
So, Miranda July.
so kunwari, also prior to that, I read Michael Mann, Heat 2. There was a line there, parang, and the light shone
shown.
on her ass. Ganon. So
So, it's the male gaze.
it is pretty much like very, itong first time to Miranda July, who's a great writer.
She is.
And like the erotica stuff is like artfully done. So I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
So like yung 50 Shades series. Hindi ganito yun, right?
Hindi.
It's ano parang, and then he's
I read 50 Shades of Grey. Did I finish it? I
mga,
don't think
he
I
stuck
finished it.
his sausage, you know.
Walang sausage. Walang mention of sausage.
He stuck his sausage in her oyster, you know.
Parang wala atang ganun. Hindi, it's more of
And then he grabbed her bread papa.
Hindi, parang it's more of ate, labo. Bread papa. Beard papa.
Beard papa ba yun?
Yeah. No, I think it's more of she noticed his mouth curl, his lips curl as he looked at her heaving breasts, or something like that. Mga parang,
Her nipples were
her nipples got
were
hard.
hard as Rocky Mountain ice cream.
I'm so sorry if you're listening to. I hope you're not listening to this when the kids are around.
Then he got the
Sausage. Put it inside the bread, Papa.
sabi, and then he got
He gently fingered her strawberry
fields.
I don't know why my mind is going, because he said beard papa. I'm going through stalls sa Mitsukoshi. You know, there's a strawberry thing there. I'm craving. I don't know.
He pero like he grabbed his
You know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna pull
read
up
a line? Yeah.
from 50 Shades.
Sige, go.
Okay, sige.
So ano yun mga he put her on, he got a strap on. A response strap on.
Okay. His voice is warm and husky, like dark melted chocolate fudge caramel, ... or something. Labo.
Putang ina.
Arg! I cry as I feel a weird pinching sensation deep inside me as he rips through my virginity.
What the hell? Ang bilis naman nun.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
I can smell his asshole. It
His
smells.
butt. He cringed as I stuck my... No, joke. Wait. That's not it.
I
Wait lang.
stuck my Venus
Venus.
shaver.
Ito. Grabbing it quickly, I squirt toothpaste on it and brush my teeth in double quick time. I feel so naughty. It's such a thrill.
Wait, you put toothpaste on his dick?
No, I think it's a toothbrush.
I squirted some close up on his.
Um,
Puro brand. Like, what if I would have I squirted some close up on his giant Aguila Farm kielbasa. His tender, juicy. And then
It was just like a banana that I bought from Deason Farms.
and then I slowly licked his spalding.
Spalding. Yo, Jim!
Why?
Ito, this is an actual line. I like your kinky fuckery, I whisper.
Wali?
Oh my God.
Oh my
Okay.
god, I'm imagining that.
Ito. Oh, the sweet agony. His hands clasp my hips. He sets a punishing rhythm. In, out, and he reaches around and finds my clitoris, massaging me. Oh, geez, I can feel myself quicken.
Quicken? I feel like I downloaded Quicken.
The accounting app.
Oh my god. I just
Or
my-
and finds my clitoris.
my clit rang like Shopify.
Shopee.
Like a Shopee ad.
Why was it ring even?
My nipples were as hard as as Lifetime Fitness dumbbells. Anyway. So anyway, itong on all ay ano ba? All Fours.
All Fours? I
It's a
think it's
good book. And
FOURS.
it's not. Anyway, it's if I know there's a Podsibs book club, so I would recommend it. It's a great way of understanding womanhood.
All Fours.
Next, we just finished watching the 7M TikTok Dancing with the Devil.
Dancing for the Devil.
Dancing for the Devil TikTok 7M
7M
on
TikTok
Netflix. So anyway,
Can't get the freaking titles right.
it's about a bunch of annoying.
Di naman.
So it's no. So it's about like
These vulnerable teenagers.
ito yung overview.
Akala ko nung una 7 million eh. Hindi pala. 7M.
Yeah.
Yung
So,
name ng talent
there's
management.
there's a talent management company in LA. I don't know. I never knew about this because I'm not on TikTok, but apparently like it's been suspected as a cult. It's a church/talent management agency.
Sobrang
And there are a lot
conflict
of
yun.
people. And then anyway, the story is like two sisters who were separated because one entered the cult.
Mhm.
So anyway, very interesting 3-part docu-series. You don't learn much. But anyway.
No, you do learn a lot because it's that's how easy it is to get suckered into a
that's
cult.
what I wanted to talk about.
Mm.
That's what I wanted to talk about.
They target the vulnerable, those who feel like they're alone and want to be part of a community. I mean, yung Podsibs, yung takbo natin sa yun eh. Nagiging cool to eh. The joke lang. Joke lang. Daming recruit eh. Nakita ko sa Strava, daming members na.
Oo nga eh.
Joke lang. Masaya dun sa kultong yun. Joke lang. Uy, gusto ko sumali dun.
Ako rin.
Sa takbo. Sa
Hirap talaga
Sundays.
pag magulang. Pero anyway, we're gonna try. We're gonna join. Anyway,
Ay, pero yung
What
Podsibs
I-
book club, yun yung cool to.
what I what I wanted to what I wanted to share was yun nga, when you're watching it, it's so easy kasi syempre it's like a bunch of like kind of ditzy like oh my God. And then I danced into heaven. Hey guys, what's up? My following.
They don't talk like that.
I mean, like, hi followers.
Hi guys, I just
Hi
wanted to
guys,
give you a
just want to
quick
say
update.
that I just got so, and I'm so sad. So I needed to cry.
They don't talk like that.
So I know that you could easily say like grabe, like ang obob naman ng mga to. But here's the thing. I kind of remembered being post-college and all I wanted to do was a music career. And this dude came up to us, Manny included, and we literally did everything he said. You know, and there are some people talaga who are so freaking manipulative that they can, when they know that, and usually yung mga taong ganito, yung mga may poker face. Alam mo yun, yung magaling mag-poker face. Kasi kwari tayong dalawa.
I can't lie.
Ako, I'm too expressive. I can't, like, if I'm excited, I have to say I'm excited. If I'm sad, you'll see I'm sad.
If you don't like something, you can see it.
Yeah. And this guy, really, as in like, ganito kasi, ganitong,
magaling mang bullshit.
Magaling mang bullshit. Hindi siya ever magpapakita ng, ang galing nyo. Gets mo? I think that's what these cult leaders do eh. They always make the person feel like, keep impressing me, keep impressing me.
Do you know what that's called?
What?
Neg. That's called negging.
Ganon?
Yeah, guys use that as a tactic, or even girls, to get someone. So they'll kind of insult you in a super subtle way to kind of make you, parang malower yung self-esteem mo and you'll try to impress them.
I could imagine falling for that shit.
Yeah. Yep. Parang, hindi ka nakikinig ng ano? Okay. Ganun. And then you're nice again, and then parang, you don't? Konting, a little
Gets.
like, make them feel a little small.
Gets. Okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's what the guy did, and that's why talagang
It's a red flag.
he told us to gawin yung green yung hair nyo this video. Okay. Manny, suotin mo tong biker jacket na to.
You're not naman giving too much away that people can find who this is.
No.
Please don't.
Anyway, ang ending is after 7 years, like when Manny and I left, we may utang pa kami.
Wala kayong 7M.
We did not earn a cent.
May utang pa.
And we would gig 3 to 4 times a week.
Yeah.
Our own money.
Yeah.
We'd drive to Batangas, Bulacan. Kasi lahat ng gigs pinapatulan namin. So anyway, I'm just although despite how annoying most of these hey guys,
baka minsan
it's mostly daddy issues.
Yeah.
Daddy or mommy issues, and like these people, mga predator na to, they find these people and then they will really, titirahin talaga na.
Sad.
Anyway, next, sorry to say, but this is a rant session. It's a franchise. I don't feel bad. I won't feel bad.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's talk about it.
We had the most expensive merienda of all time. I think if you went to siguro a
Wait lang, what
hotel.
are you talking about?
Here.
Hindi yung ham and cheese?
Shall we name?
Yun na lang.
Really?
Yun na lang. Kesa
Well,
yan.
ako.
Hindi naman at least, hindi naman
Okay, well, anyway, what I wanted to say was, we spent we spent for lunch for 4 people at Gino's. Go Gino's.
Yeah.
The best.
Yeah.
And then, of course, si Vito kasi na budol kami in this sa Rocky Mountain.
It's like a soft serve ice cream thing.
I'm sure you've seen that. Like, marami yun eh. Sabay yun ng mga, Colorado, whatever.
Hindi ko alam.
Bear, something like that.
Ano yun?
Basta, mga mahal na ice cream.
Bear?
Parang something.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Colorado Bear ice cream.
Sarap. Anyway, we spent 1.4 for 2 soft serve ice creams and a choco and
one something.
and nuts na may chocolate.
1, 2. Oo. Yung isa, yung sa akin.
1.4, I'm sure.
Talaga?
1.4.
So, ano yan? Yung sa akin, it was macadamia. I love macadamia nuts. And
Ako walnut,
yung sa'yo, yours was called a bear.
yeah.
A bear.
Actually,
thing.
now that we're talking
Tapos may
about it,
konting caramel.
yeah.
That was $400.
Yeah.
It's so super.
If you see it, guys, anyway.
It's like the palm of your hand. That's
So I guess the lesson that I
400
want
pesos.
to impart is make your own ice cream.
No,
Buy a Ninja Creamy.
Nasay mo na ba yun?
Hindi pa.
Nakita ko yun sa IG Reels.
It's on all my IG reels.
Is that, you can get that locally?
May nakita ko sa True Value naka-sale.
Sarap kaya yun.
Medyo naka-sale pero it's like 17K.
Mm.
It looks good.
Nakita ko
Kasi-
pinost yan
kasi-
ni yung the fitness influencer.
Kasi the problem with ice cream, making your own ice cream, is the
Mm.
texture. Like you can get the ingredients man. You can get milk, freeze it, and then put blueberries,
So
chocolate.
we can make for the kids.
Technically, you can.
Try natin.
And that's what I'm doing naman now with my
Yeah, pero it's
Vitamix.
it's ice. Tapos, hindi siya parang soft serve texture.
Then what you do is you freeze the thing. Let's say you get milk, you get chocolate. Kuwari, let's say kumuha ka ng Hershey's chocolate powder. Lagay mo sa milk, lagay ka ng konting jello.
Jello.
Para sa texture.
Oh.
And then if you have kids, maganda tirahin mo na mga, nakakatawa si Vito na uhuli na ako mga, Papa, no chia seeds, okay?
No chia seeds.
Papa, no chia seeds and oats. So anyway, you freeze it talaga, the liquid. You freeze it in the freezer.
Okay.
And then it becomes a block of ice, right?
Mm.
Siyempre, hindi naman siya magiging ice cream. Ilalagay mo yung buong yun sa creamy. Tapos auto-blend mo siya.
Okay. What's
And
the
then
difference between that and a Vitamix?
The way yung texture niya.
But you don't know if it's true.
Hindi, well, the good thing about the creamy thing kasi is, by the way, we're talking about the Ninja Creamy.
Is that magkano yun?
Yun nga, sa True Value mga 17.
What?
Yeah.
Mahal. Kasing mahal ng truck na sinakyan ni Vito kanina. May sinakyan siyang... Did you ever get one of those monster trucks when you were a kid?
No.
Yung pwede mong sakyan, tas mukha siyang truck.
That was my dream.
My little brother
As a
had
kid.
one. Binigyan siya as a gift. And it was like, wow. Pero like, he used it for a week. Max.
Yeah, and then wala na.
And then parang, nakita ko nga dun sa department store kanina. And then it was 17,000.
Pero grabe, no? Those things talaga, like when you're a kid, you see it. Like,
Siyempre.
it's the only thing I need.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my last point. In this pod, we will cancel the cancelable.
Oh no.
And this is the first time, not the first time, but this is the, parang, like I was really like, it really affected me.
We will not cancel. We'll just
I
share the
think-
story.
I
Hindi
will
naman,
share. Sige. Sorry.
ano naman medyo may apology naman kasi hindi tayo hindi, they didn't apologize but they didn't charge us for it.
Oh, no. Iba to.
Ano ba to?
This is a guy.
Ano ba to? Sino to?
So, if you guys know Peter Atia,
Okay. Ito na naman.
so this fucker, sorry,
Hmm.
this asshole,
You know, I've never seen anything about what you're talking about. So, give me
Okay.
fact check ko lang. Pero sige, go ahead.
yeah,
Go
sure,
ahead, go ahead.
sure.
Go.
So Peter Atia wrote the book Outlive, and I gave it to my dad. And anyway, ang ganda ng the way he talks about. I really love this philosophy. And alam ko naman, ang dami sa mga longevity. Like, shut the fuck up. Like, tangina, punta ka na ng beach. Diba? Alam ko naman gets ko eh. Pero I like it. I like nerding about these things. I like it.
Yeah.
And
You learn a lot from
like,
it.
parang relax.
Mm.
Like there's this one person na, you shouldn't eat bread before, alam mo parang don't eat bread before the meat.
Yeah.
Meat. Parang, okay, cool information. I like it. But I know that there's this whole industry and scene of these quote-unquote experts, right? Itong Atia was kind of fresh. Kaya he got me into running. The Zone 2 thing.
Yeah.
So basically he made everything a bit.
It's not his concepts, but he popularized it.
He
Somewhat.
he knows how to communicate. He's a salesman.
So bullshitter.
So anyway,
Bullshit.
he wrote a book and then he was with Chris Hemsworth in
Okay.
that show, yung annoying show ni Chris Hemsworth.
Limitless?
Yeah, Limitless. I think
Limitless ba yung tawag?
something like that. Where Chris Hemsworth, like, he swam in the Arctic Ocean and whatever.
Oh, he actually did post it
He
on Instagram.
did.
Okay. Sorry.
So anyway, this
I'm
guy-
fact checking it. Okay.
This guy, I shared it to my dad. Binubudol ko yung mga ibang tao. His podcasts are a bit annoying because it can go into like, well, the true measurement of
Yeah.
ketosis is your
Yeah.
the mitochondria, whatever. So,
Uh-huh.
but still,
Science-y.
sarap pampatulog.
Oh.
This
Is
guy
he a
posted-
doctor?
He is.
Okay.
And yung point niya kasi is medicine 2.0.
Mm.
Yun yung, kaya nga si Psycho, he's a branding guy.
Yeah.
That's what he said. Na parang medicine should not be a reactive thing.
Mm.
Medicine 2.0 is taking things before you get sick.
Yeah. Preventive.
So, ang ganda.
Okay. I can
Post
get
sa
on board.
Instagram. He posted on Instagram a picture of him having dinner with Kevin Spacey and actually defended him. Inedit niya yung post, yung caption na yan. Can you read the caption? Here.
Last night, my brother and dear friends came over for dinner in a lengthy hang session. Blah, 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 blah.
Awesome meal.
If you want to better understand the 7-year saga and actual facts as discovered in court of Kevin's journey, Dan Wooton's interview is the place to start.
Yan. So he posted na he had dinner with Kevin Spacey, who was a known pedophile, molester. And then he edited the caption eh. The original caption was, if you want to know how people ruined Kevin's life,
Oh.
that's ginanon pa niya.
Wow.
So basically, he defended Kevin Spacey and nakakatawa yung comments. Si Judd Apatow even commented like, this guy does not know how to do research.
Oh. Nakalagay nga dito yung mga comment, this makes me question everything you have ever
Yeah,
said.
that's how I felt. That's how I felt. Kasi like, dude, I've been listening to you for like what to eat and, you know, it's just like if, yun nga eh, parang imagine if you're a doctor or you're a priest.
Yeah.
Or
Someone
you listen to for, you know, very important stuff. Or your financial advisor says like, uy, I think mag-invest ka na sa sa
sa something.
Sa something.
Ito nga si Judd Apatow sabi, you really are not good at research. Wow.
So wala lang. This is the first time na earth-shattering and like so stupid. Nakakatawa yung isang comment dyan, sabi dyan, the one, parang this guy managed to unify the internet.
Can I read one? I've been fasting for 3 years now and I've yet to have it lead to hanging out with sexual abusers. Is that the stage after ketosis?
Puro ganun.
Oh my God.
Tapos nakakatawa, his subsequent posts, puro ganun yung mga captions. Like mga comments. Like mga,
Oh shit.
so does zone 2 involve
Oh, no.
molestation, mga ganyan. Tapos, yung mga ibang mga defenders talaga, ang weirdo talaga ng mga ibang,
Weird
Kano?
hill to die on.
yun nga, they're saying, what a strange hill to die on. Like, gets ko pa siguro like, guys, stop being vegan.
Oh.
Right? Stop being carnivore. Okay, that's a hill. Okay.
Okay.
Parang you have a belief, right?
Kasi apparently, lahat nga hindi na, what is it called? When you don't get actually charged. Parang ganun.
Exonerated?
Na-drop lahat ng cases.
Really? Ni
Yeah.
Spacey?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that's one interview that I saw.
Anyway.
But, I mean, that was a lot of accusations from different people. When, I don't know.
Yeah.
Weird.
Anyway, we're gonna go to Singapore. We're so excited. We'll talk more about our trip. Yeah, we're gonna be gone for 5 days and we're so excited. And the kids are coming up. We can hear them.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye!